afternoon. I appreciate you guys for joining me across my journey, across my way, and across this way of life as we enter into this beautiful state of mind. Yes, sir. Today we are going to go get our fingerprints, so we're going to go show what it's like to go get our fingerprints out here in Texas. Maybe, maybe not. Hopefully I can. But first things first, you know what we're going to stop at. Look, you know I need it.
Hello, thank you for choosing Starbucks. I'll be here in just a moment.
Yes, ma'am. I told you I needed it. I need the honey citrus mint tea. I need it. 2 honey bags. I need it. As we sit in line, we talk about the market. So, first things first, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not somebody to come and talk to about anything that involves making some type of purchase or anything of that sort. I'm just a person that talks about real estate and gets educated in a better understanding point when it comes to better business in real estate and stocks and bonds and index funds and all the good lovable things that business requires. One thing that I've been noticing, even in the housing market. So I checked on the Mortgage News Daily. 30-year fixed rates are sitting at 5.32. Interest rates are going up. Jerome Powell, which is the Federal Reserve president, he said he wants to increase interest rates to at least 6 or 7%. That's what is going to limit out inflation and what is going on right now, especially due to the fact that the situation that's going on with Ukraine, Russia, China has just came back, talk about they have new variants going on with COVID-19. That might be a lockdown with that. So it's a lot going on in the economy right now. It's a lot going on in the world. Definitely not a time to really invest into homes, but it's going to be, as time progresses, there's going to be a lot more situations for people to start getting lined in. And also investing. Elon Musk just bought Twitter. $54 a stock. It's amazing. It's amazing. So get locked in with that. There it is. But hey, man. Hey, let me know. Anybody in Dallas, Texas that, you know, is either an investor, real estate, into business, or anything of that sort. I'm looking for more people to hang around with, especially being, you know, new here. Many people around here are really cool for the most part. There are some people around here that, somebody kicked them in the back of the shin, but it's okay. First things first, we're gonna head over here to Irving. It's about 40 minutes away from here, towards North Dallas. But first, we have to stop at Euless to Navy Federal to go do some little investment work. But besides that, we're on our way down. So, we're in Euless, as you see, Navy Federal. Very beautiful. Open air. He's over there playing some slappers, bangers. But keep the vibe, man. It's a good day. Good day in Texas, man. So, about to go test out Pei Wei's Asian kitchen. See what's going on with it, man. Get some good food. Gonna get us some pad thai. Chicken pad thai. I'm either gonna actually do the chicken pad thai or the grilled bourbon chicken, but we gonna figure it out. We're gonna do it. So we about to get something to drink. Swag. First things first, we gotta start off with some ice. We gotta get just a little bit. Some sweet tea. Whoa. Need like half of that. Right? Get some lemonade. This was right. Oh. I need it. Chopsticks. I need it. Need it. Chicken pad thai. Hold on. Oh my goodness. And then they gave me some teriyaki sauce with it. Then I put some of that sweet chili on there. Whoa. Now it's time to dig in. Oh, I can't get the no. Go ahead. Come here. I want you. Look good. This right here is, yeah, pretty spot on. Squinch a little of this right here. Come on, let me get you. Oh my goodness. So while I enjoy this, it's about time to go start heading over to our appointment, dog. Let's get it. So we are here to go get our fingerprints. Let's go do it, man. So I gotta go at 152. Where are you at? Oh. Okay. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Little stationary little place. Dental Go. I did identity services. What is the key to a happy family life? Will suffering ever end? Can the dead really live again? Who really controls the world? Who would have thought? Oh, darn. So one, I didn't see the big, photography and cell phone use prohibited. So we gonna flash forward a little bit, okay? Now it's time. Nice and signed. Yes, sir. There it is. Look at my stupid self. Look, I done told the receipt. Just as long as you can see all the other good stuff, that's all that matters. Oh, no! Where are you going? I need some tape for you. There it is. Another wonderful day. A peaceful day in Texas. Get to take my exam next week. That's why I'm sorry. That's why I haven't been on YouTube making videos and stuff, because I've been trying to focus and get myself prepared for my real estate exam next week. So we gonna get that running, get that jumping. We got the fingerprints done. We got everything already done. So you know what time it is. It's time to take that test, get that license, boy. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, man. Bring in the conversation. I'm looking. I'm searching. I'm all in. All in. Let's do it. Like and subscribe. Check in with your boy. And we rocking it, we rolling.